Hi, this is Carl from DayTradeToWin.com. Today we'll have a look at some Forex day trading signals and how you can use our software to get trading signals and only have to trade for 20 minutes per day. But before we jump into day trading, I have some good news for you. We have now released our At the Open for Forex, and we're going to conduct a live training class for our Forex traders on Wednesday, so you will have time to join the program. Included in this Forex trading program is the software, either Ninjatrader or Metatrader. It includes the At the Open software that automatically gives you trading signals so you know when to buy and when to sell. It includes user support, it includes day trading strategy course, and it also includes live training for Ninjatrader and Metatrader. And you will get a video account with recordings of the training so you can go back anytime and repeat and refresh your knowledge. You will learn how to use the software to day trade for profits during the session open. And you can trade any of the main Forex sessions: New York, London, Frankfurt, Tokyo, Sydney, or if you're a really hardcore trader, you can trade all of them. You can use it to trade any Forex pair: Euro, Dollar, Yen, you name it. If you're interested in learning this simple trading method that's suitable for beginners, then click the link in the description below and follow the instructions. But now we'll have a look at Metatrader and do some live trading by following the rules of the strategy that you will learn. So, according to the rules of the strategy, I have identified a channel that the market is just about to break out from to the downside. I will place a trade alert at the lower level so I'm notified when it breaks this price. The software that we provide will create the alerts for you automatically, but it's also good to know how to add an alert in Metatrader. You just right click the chart, select trade alert, then just specify the price where you want the alert to sound and click OK, and the alert level will show with a dashed arrow. Alright, there we go. So once price hits this level, I will be notified with a sound alert. So now I can just sit back and relax for a while until the software wakes me up. There we go. So this is the price level where I want to enter my short trade. I'll just add the order manually, but you can basically enter it with a limit order also, and just wait for it to be filled automatically. I don't want to rush in and enter at this price. I'll wait for a little better price. And there, I entered my trade. We're short. Now we will just let this trade wiggle around. I'll use a fixed stop loss according to the rules, and I'll take profit according to the rules as well. And everything you see here will be taught in the live Forex trading class. We will always set our stops and profit target based on what we can realistically expect from the market given the current market conditions. I will teach you how to determine this in the training, otherwise you will just be stopped out too early or leave a lot of money on the table if you close your position too early. As you can see, we have high wicks above the candle bodies here. This tells me that the market is trying to move upwards, but it isn't able to close higher. And that in turn tells me that the market will go lower. If I can't go higher, it will go lower. That's simple, right? And if it just moves sideways, I will just close out the position at around break even and then continue with the next signal. We will probably have support coming in at 1556. That's 1.1556. That's old resistance from earlier today. You see, resistance levels often turn into future support levels. That's something that you will learn with experience. Okay, it seems that the market is not sure if it should go higher or lower at the moment, but that doesn't bother me much, because in this particular day trading strategy I have a time-based stop, which tells me to get out of the position, because I don't want to have capital tied up in positions that go nowhere. So it's better to close out at a small win or small loss, or break even and just move to the next trade. We want to reach our profit target fast and not just fart around in whipsaws and consolidations. The best case scenario is that the market would reach my target in 1 or 2 candles, and that is what often happens. Alright, so now it seems the market is making the move I was looking for. My rules say I should take profits at this level, and I'll just do that now. I could also have added a trailing stop to this trade and followed this move down as far as it goes, but I'll just close out this manually now so I can concentrate on showing you something. Okay, so the market is making its big move that we anticipated. I'm pretty sure it will move down to the area around 1.1556. Then we'll see if that area holds or not. If it breaks down through the 1556 area, then we would probably be able to move down to 1550 or lower. But we could also move upwards and test the 1562 level, which was the support we had before I entered the trade. And after that I would just wait until one of these levels would be broken and then trade in that direction. Once you get used to day trading strategies, this will become second nature to you, and you will be able to trade like this all day long. So here you can see the support level that was previously resistance. Here many traders would enter a position short as we were penetrating and trading through the support level, and they would enter a trade, but that's dangerous. In my opinion, you should wait for a close below the range. The close is a significant piece of information, while the penetration through a certain price level can just be random noise. Yeah, and as you can see, the market again rallied from this level, flip-flopping around in this channel, and it can basically do that for hours on end. I think I'll leave you with that now. We'll discuss more on this in our DayTradeToWin.com Forex class on Wednesday. So click the link below to get to the website where you can sign up for the At the Open software product and course. And hey, if you like this video and this way of trading, please give us a thumbs up for encouragement. Please subscribe to our channel, DayTradeToWin, to get our next videos. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. So, thank you for watching, And now visit daytradetowin.com. Click the link below to get to the At the Open product, where you can purchase and make sure you get a spot on next week's Forex day trading course. Thank you. Bye bye.